Hey guys, it's Rei and welcome back to my channel. So, pasok kayo. Bowie is joining us today kasi clingy siya. So, in today's video, I will finally share with you guys our new room. So, this is the reveal now of our new room. So, if you wanna see the room, paulit-ulit the room, please keep on watching. Okay, so when you enter my room, ayan, kinip na lang namin yung door kasi sayang naman yung wood. So, when you enter it sa right side, I have here my full-length mirror. And ngayon pa lang sinasabi ko na sa inyo na this is my favorite piece in my room. And you guys all know that my room is designed by Tanaw Studio. And actually, mga 98% of this room, sila talaga yung nag-source. So, I know everyone is obsessed with like mga full-length mirror, arc mirrors. Me, I love taking mirror selfies. But I want a different take on it. I want a very different, unique piece sa mirror ko. So, I super love this kasi very irregular yung shape ng mirror niya. It has like a metal frame na irregular din yung angle niya. And then, favorite ko dito yung parang wooden foot niya. So, ito yung parang foot niya. So, yan. It's a ball. Pero guys, naka-mount to sa wall. So, don't worry, hindi siya babagsak kasi parang naka-screw siya sa wall. Okay, so then beside it, we just decided to put a plant. That's a real plant, by the way. And, of course, ito low maintenance lang siya and also safe for dogs. And then moving on, andito yung shelf ko for my bag. So ayan, as you guys know, medyo marami yung bags ko. Pero I decided na ito na lang yung ilagay kasi kapag nilagay ko sila lahat dito, parang ang kalat nila kasi iba-iba yung color, iba-iba yung size, yung shape. So I decided to put na lang my Chanel ones na black and beige para mas malinis pa rin silang tignan. I have some few more bags coming, so very excited to share that with you. Pero iniisip ko pa kung ilalagay ko sila dito kasi parang very uniform na yung itsura niya. And then ito, nabili ko lang to sa Lazada. It's like an organizer, talaga originally for accessories. Pero nilagay ko yung mga wallet and card holders ko dito. So I have a card holder right here. I have a zippy card holder and another big wallet. So, depende sa kung ano yung bag ko. Like, for example, ito yung gagamitin ko. Kailangan ito lang yung wallet ko kasi syempre maliit siya. And then, sa taas naman, I just decided to put my Chanel boxes since wala pa naman talaga siyang laman. And then, we have this parang printed portrait na something. This is from Letters by Rio and this is our photo namin ni Mickey nung nasa Palawan kami. So, ayan. Okay, so sa left side naman, when you open the door, I have my wallpaper. This is designed by Tanaw and printed by the Printery.shop. I super love the quality kasi ayoko yung wallpaper na shiny. So, this one is a matte and sobrang ganda nung pagkaka-print. It's very high quality. As in, hindi pixelated yung print. So, ayan. Ito yung parang nagbigay ng a little bit of character and color sa room ko. So, I can take pictures here. So, ayan, super duper love it. You should check them out. Pero itong print na to is custom for me. So, may gusto kayong ipa-print, you can check them out. Ayan, super duper love it. I'm gonna leave their Instagram down below. And then, naglagay lang kami dito ng parang wooden thing na pairing to dun sa wood sa vanity natin, if you remember. So, there you go. This is really cute. Actually, si Miggy, pinipilit niya ako mag-set up siya dito ng gaming table. Hindi ba ako pumapayag kasi it's very, very cute. Ayoko siraan niya yung space na to. So, ayan, let's move on to the bed. So, ito yung bedside natin. I think you guys saw this na from my past videos. So, again, my bed is custom ulit. So, meron siyang gold metal frame na parang accent. And you'll see this gold metal frame around the room. So, medyo marami kaming ginamitan itong gold frame. And then, yung sa side table naman, I got this lang from Lazada. Tapos ito from SM, ito din from SM. What I like about my side table is, kahit parang medyo cluttered siya sa loob or like medyo makalat, hindi siya masyadong halata since may cover. So like here, I have tissue, wipes, alcohol, ganyan. And then dito, minsan naglalagay ko ng snacks. Literal na kung ano-ano lang. And then here, I have extension cord, chargers, ganyan. Kasi nandito yung plug. So, para hindi siya makalat tingnan. So, I super love this side table kasi very functional din siya. And then my light, it's warm light. So, very relaxing siya at night. Pakita ko lang. Ayan. So, ganyan yung ilaw niya sa gabi. Okay. mga white sheets. Kasi, wala lang, it gives you that hotel vibes. I got this from the SM store, yung iba from SNR. Tapos yung silk, yan, naka-silk pillows ako kasi that's really good for your hair. And then may mga accent throw pillow lang tayo dyan. And then moving on here, actually, arte lang to. Dapat may throw cloth pa tayo dito, but it's currently in the laundry. Pero itong tray na to, I super appreciate it. Kasi whenever I have to film, lahat ng makeup ko dyan ko lang ilalagay. Ayan, tapos I have, again, my Vogue magazine, so very artsy, arte-arte lang yan. Pwede mo siya gamitin for flat lay. So, let's move on to my seat table. Okay, so now we're on the other side of the bed. So, ito na yung corner ng room. And I have here my seat table. Sobrang love ko to guys kasi usually dito ako nag-work sa afternoon kasi sobrang ganda ng tama ng ilaw dito. Parang sobrang nakaka-inspire siya. And then sa room ko kasi makita mo medyo maraming puno and all. So, I love working here. So, we decided to put a seat table para kahit nasa medyo gitna ako ng bed, we can pull this pa ganun. So, ayan, I can still work kahit nakahiga ako dito. So, ayan, usually nandito na yung iPad ko, yung notebook ko. And then on this side, meron lang siyang area for my mga books. You guys know that I'm such a huge fan of It's Okay Not to Be Okay. So, I have yung mga storybooks nila dito, ganyan. Nandito sila lahat. I literally have everything. And it's just really inspiring. I know it's in Korean, but I know the stories because of the series. So, yan, I just keep them here. Or pag may kailangan akong files while working, lalagay ko lang sila dito. And na-mention ko sa inyo kanina that you'll see a lot of them rose gold metal. Ayan, same material with our seating. Okay, so moving on to my parang lounge area. I have here my clothes rack, my accessories organizer, and my lounge chair. So, again, everything is custom made. I super like this kasi hindi siya yung usual na clothes rack and it's actually parang nakaka-save ako ng space since you stack the clothes like that. So, I put the clothes here na kailangan ko i-remind yung sarili ko na hindi mo pa yan nagagamit or you have to use this more para ma-ROI mo siya. So, yun, dito ko siya nilalagay. So, I just got this recently. This is a vintage Dior bucket hat. And, lagay ko siya dyan kasi cute siya. These are my new compact wallets. Ito yung bagong business ni Brandy. Ilalagay ko yung Instagram handle dyan sa screen. And this one, I got this recently. This is my Dion Lee corset top. Grabe, sobrang love ko to. It's expensive, pero feeling ko, dahil white siya, pwede mo siyang i-dress up in so many ways. You can use it for layering. And look, I'm so stupid, nalagyan ko siya ng lipstick stain, pero my mom can fix that for sure. Ayan, meron din akong black bodysuit from Dion Lee. Ayan siya. Tapos yan, and then di ba kanina nakita niyo yung mga bags ko na Chanel nandun? Yung mga everyday bags ko, nilagay ko siya sa likod. Nilagay ko yung mga everyday bags ko dito sa likod para hindi siya mukhang makalat. So yung mga everyday bags ko dito ko lang nilalagay. Yan. Kapag ka nag-grocery, nag-run ng errands, pag kailangan lumabas, punta sa office, ganyan. So ito, nandito lang sila sa likod para hindi sila mukhang makalat tingnan. So, there you go. Ito yung aking clothes rack. This organizer, napansin ko kasi, I love collecting and buying accessories. Pero lagi ko silang nawawala. Like, the moment I wear it, nawawala na sila. Kasi wala akong right space for them. So, buti na lang, Tanaw thought of this way of storing my accessories. So, ayan. Buksan mo lang siya pa ganito. So, here, makikita nyo halo-halo dyan. So, I have here my necklaces, my earrings. Dito actually pwede ka pa mag-store ng maraming earrings. Pero yung madalas kong gamitin, nilalagay ko na lang sila dito. So parang tin ka na to. I also have a dish over here na pagkatamad pa ako i-organize sila, I just shoot everything here. I mean, that way, lahat sila is just in one area. Hindi ko na sila mawawala. So I have my sunnies here as well. I don't buy expensive sunnies. Most of them are from like local Instagram shops, from Lazada. I just have a few Gentle Monster and then that's it. This one, if you remember, I got this from Lazada. I just store my, I just store my scrunchies and my hair clamp. I super love this kasi it's not damaging sa hair since it's silk and then yung hair clamp, wala masyadong friction and tension sa hair mo. So, lahat sila dito nakastore. And then, I just use some boxes for decorative purposes like Cartier dyan, may Chanel. I have a Valentino box over here. Meron akong case ng mga Sonnies dito para pag kailangan kong magbaon, hindi sila magagasgas sa bag. Tapos, ito kasi mga ano lang yan eh, mga parang costume jewelry lang. Like, hindi sila totoong gold, ganyan. So, yung mga medyo valuable ko na accessories, I put it here in this pouch. And if you remember, this is actually a humidifier. Ano to eh, humidifier siya, pero ginamit ko muna siya as a decor piece since hindi ko pa naman siya ginagamit. So, kaya, ang linis lang nila tingnan. So, there you go. That is my accessories, organizer, or cabinet for you guys. So, this is my little lounge chair. Now, I'm thinking of getting siguro a side table kasi parang I would want something na parang lalagyan ko ng mga kung ano-ano. But now, actually, ito yung lounge chair ko. If you remember, when we were sourcing, I originally wanted a chair from Crate and Barrel. It was 60,000 pesos. There's no way I'm spending that much for a chair. And then we figured that it's also super big. Guys, ang liit na nito, pero we had to remove the door para ipasok to. So again, this is custom made by Tanaw for me. And black yung frame ng chair so that it's pairing with our lamp. So ayan, may Edison bulb lang siya. I got this from the SM store. Tapos ito, same lang din siya, warm light siya. Very relaxing siya. Try ko siya i-plug mamaya para makita nyo. So yeah, ito yung mini lounge area ko. I usually work din here or like when I watch series. Like, taas ko yung paa ko, kasha ko dito. So yeah, I love squishing myself to like tiny spaces. So like, kuwari, mag-work lang ako, nakataas lang yung paa ko dito. Ganyan, very chill. Ayun, kaya rin hindi ko naisip mag-side table kasi usually naman phone ko lang yung hawak ko. Pero parang cute, no? Ewan ko, I'll consult na now kung pwede ba tayo maglagay ng side table. But yeah, that's my mini lounge corner for you guys. Pakita ko sa inyo ito na naka-light up to. Wait lang. You just step on the thing. Ayan, warm light lang siya. So, at night, I can stay here. Patay na lahat ng ilaw. So, very relaxing lang. Tsaka, very minimalist itong ilaw natin. So, very cute. So, if you wanna have something na custom-made na furniture, you can also consult that now. So, yan. Actually, lahat na nakikita nyo dito, almost lahat custom-made. So, yun. Let's now go to the vanity area, though I won't really expand on it kasi I have a separate video on that. If you wanna see that, I'm gonna link it down below. Pero may konting tweak lang ako na ginawa dun. So ayan, here is my vanity table again. You guys are familiar with this. I have a vanity tour. You can watch it. I'm gonna link it down below. Yung konting na bago lang is naglagay ako ng dried flowers dito sa parang vase natin. My vase is from Vesta Studio. And yeah, wala naman na bago. Again, super love the wooden accent. Sobrang love ko yan. And then yung vanity table ko, custom made siya. And you can see na yung legs niya are rose gold. Similar to the metals we used dun sa bed frame and dun sa sea table. Bar cart from Lazada. And actually, lahat ng organizing and yung mga parang decorative stuff dito nakuha ko lang sa Lazada. So, very affordable. And again, we styled it in such a way na very functional siya. Lahat ng nakikita nyo, almost lahat sila may use. So I decided to put this here. Dito lang yung remote ng aircon dahil lagi siyang nawawala. Ayan, nawala na yung cover niya. And then I just added my favorite perfume para hindi ko siya nakakalimutan. So yeah, that's my vanity table for you guys. Alright, so we're now here dun sa closet area ko. And kung mapapansin nyo, kasi from our closet tour, it was pink, but we decided to paint it with nude instead kasi parang mas nag-match siya sa vision namin. So sa taas, it's green with gold handles. I just put my mga linens, comforters, mga bed sheets sa taas. And alam nyo naman na yung mga ganap dito. Again, I have a separate closet tour. I feel like that's a bit helpful kasi more on organizing tips yun. So there you go. And then here I have my nook. Grabe guys, kung nakita niyo yung before photo nito, sobrang iba. This used to be like a cabinet na may mga display na very useless. So we decided to uninstall it. So nagkaroon siya ng medyo depth here. And ayan, ginawa namin siya ng nook. Ang cute nung ano niya, nung parang tabletop niya kasi parang armchair siya. And then bumili lang ako ng bar stool. And ito yung area where I usually work kapag kailangan ko mag-focus. Kasi diba kapag nandun ako sa bed, minsan nakakaantok kasi kama yun. When I really have to work on something, I have to finish deadlines, when I have to think of my content, ganyan, pag kailangan ko mag-concentrate, dito ako nag-work kasi walang distraction, walang wifi, talagang it's just me and my brains. If you remember, originally, yung dun sa vanity table, parang nag-overlap yung mirror. So, sa ilalim ng table, may mirror pa siya. Ito yun, guys. Ito yung mirror na supposedly nasa ilalim ng vanity table, but we decided to just put it here para mas functional siya. Yan. And then, these vases are actually gifts from my Statewide fam. Sobrang cute. Thank you guys so much. Actually, dito sa area na to, parang gusto ko pa maglagay ng konting office organizers. But right now, I got this from Vesta Studio. Sobrang cute niya. It has, I'm not sure if this is true leather or faux leather lang siya. Pero sobrang cute niya. It has a gold frame. And then, pwede ka maglagay ng files dito, magazines, ganyan. So, I love this very, very much. And it's super affordable. So, yan. Nilagay ko lang siya dito sa baba. Para pag may mga kailangan ako, dyan ko siya ilalagay. So, yeah. That is it for our room tour. Okay guys, so that is it for my room tour. Thank you so much for joining me in my renovation journey. Grabe, now that I'm looking at my room, it is sobrang different. And I can relate to it more. I can be more productive. Huge thanks to Tanaw for making this possible, and to the printery.shop on Instagram for my wallpaper. And halos lahat naman ng mga gamit dito custom made. If not, it's linked in my hauls, in my vanity tour, in my closet tour. So yun, thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!